Welcome everyone to Untethered for Life, my channel where I try to lead a life living untethered. So if you've just started following me, just recently we made our first trek to Croatia. Man, what a journey it has been so far. We ran into a slew of problems getting here. So just a couple offhand. Tried to get equipment so that I can record videos just like these in very short notice. Of course, Best Buy didn't have anything, Target didn't have anything, Amazon did. We had to have it overnight delivered, and it made it, woohoo! However, in the airport, the phone holder for the selfie stick thing broke, so that was a bummer. I'll show you later my backpack. The mic that we got also suffered a failure. No Wi-Fi on the 8-hour plane ride, so that was disappointing. And man, gate problems. We arrived and it was raining pretty good, which is not a big deal, you know, in big picture. However, we got dropped off at Airbnb. The instructions and pictures to get into the Airbnb didn't match, but of course we didn't have internet. So we got internet from some local cafe, found out where the Airbnb was. We walked for about 8 minutes in the rain to that location, found the lockbox that was in the pictures for the Airbnb we were supposed to be in, but there was no key in the lockbox. So we went to another cafe, soaked, got in contact with the Airbnb person, and our original location was correct. He just sent us the wrong instructions. So we walked back in the rain. Man, dog tired. Got some food that, well, was stale and moldy. So that was fun. But we're here, we made it, and our digital nomad lifestyle is underway. Having a bit of an emergency here. I'm just starting off my nomadic lifestyle journey. We're leaving to Croatia tomorrow, 8 a.m. It's 9:15. And so I was like, well, I gotta get the laptop ready, but I have like 140 gigs of just random pictures and media. So I was like, okay, well, I don't have a flash drive big enough, embarrassingly. That's fine. Never really needed one that big. So I was like, oh, that's fine. I'll just take the drive out of the laptop, right? Yeah, okay, great idea. And then I'll put it in my desktop and I'll transfer the files. Okay, so right there, taking apart a laptop, no big deal. I've done it a bunch of times, but for some reason, I thought it was a good idea to do it on my kitchen sink. Yeah, so this is what happened. Check this out. Okay. We're gonna go down here. There is a screwdriver or screw right there. Look at that. Can you see that? We leave in less than 12 hours. This is rough. Hi, Domino. We made it. Hi, Kaia. He's excited. She doesn't care. Yeah. All right, bright and early. About to make our first trek to Croatia. Waiting for the bus. There's the lady. Give me a wave, baby. What's up? Bus should be coming down there at some point. We'll see. And so the journey begins. So the rain made our initial arrival fairly difficult. One of the problems we had is I had my selfie stick kaleidoscoping tripod thingamajigger doodad on the outside of my bag. So my thought was, oh, if I see anything, I can bust it out and attach my camera and record some footage. Well, the rain messed up my mic. Poor mic was overnight delivered before we left Denver for a 8 a.m. arrival time, and now it's broken. So I'd also be really careful what bag you bring with you. This bag has not been conducive to effective work the laptop is stored there, and then you have an extra pocket down here. There's a third pocket right here. Problem is, if you put anything in that pocket, you cannot get anything else out of this bag. And that pocket is extraordinarily small. So as this adventure continues, I will be hunting for a nice, functional, working backpack. I have plenty of hiking backpacks, but electronic gear backpacks are new to me. So if you have any tips, please put them in the comments. I'm open to checking out alternatives. Okay, well, we picked up some food at the grocery store. This is one of the things that we picked up. Amanda's tasted okay. I wasn't about to eat mine. It smelled moldy and rotten. Man, are we off to a fantastic start to our first day in Zagreb, Croatia. Now I gotta go back down 2 flights of stairs to throw out this stanky, whatever this sandwich is. What do you do? We'll find a rhythm though. We'll find a rhythm. Alright, so I actually shot this video once already, but I just took a picture. And then I walked around this place talking to a camera that wasn't recording. So here we are again. After the crazy instance in the rain, we finally got checked into our Airbnb here in Croatia. I'll go ahead and give you a quick tour. Right here we got the kitchen, very fancy, nothing too crazy. The living space coming around right here. After the fiasco in the rain, finally got my workstation set up. Thank goodness. I was really concerned about that laptop, but the laptop's functioning, so I'm able to cut some video and write some articles and do work. Right on over here, we got the comfy couch situation, and I'll go ahead and show you the bedroom. So right this way, come with me, All right, and we got the video of the bedroom. Here it is. And of course, we have the full-length mirror closet. Ooh, fancy. Oh look, you can see me recording in the camera. It's kind of crazy. All right, anywho, so that's the place. I'm gonna go ahead and cut here and we'll go make some videos.
Ready?
Go ahead, I'm doing it.
What money looks like?
There's the Kuna.
Just going away December 1st.
December 1st, going to the Euro. That's raclette?
Raclette, yes.
Raclette. Awesome. Very good. So I will admit this has been a tough day. We've been traveling for a long time. Probably up for 20 hours or so. Definitely ran into some problems. Definitely some cultural and language barriers that we're getting through. which you know, we expect. We've traveled before. We're familiar with these things. Interestingly, though, the idea of staying in this mode all of the time really has us analyzing if this is the right move. It's scary. It's overwhelming. So we'll see. We will see. I think after a night's rest, we'll be able to reassess. I think once we really get out there in Zagreb and kind of see what it's all about, we'll get that rejuvenation that I think that we really, really need. But again, we're here, we're safe, we're about to get a good night's sleep, and we have everything we need to work, so everything's on track. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to continue to see content of this particular journey, please, it would be a great honor if you'd subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and check out my blog down below. Some of my stories I'll go into a little more in depth than I will on video through my blog. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.